Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the ungetc function in C language. So first, share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here, Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now, yes, is it is take time. Yes, now is open and I'll trap file menu taking new file, and here our code write a program to use ungetc, that is function in file management. So that is a so many function we have to see, but that is a last and that is not but last, but in that is more use, that is last. So many function in that file management in C language. So now first so in this session we can use the ungetc function, and first I can write the syntax. So that is a return data type is integer, and that's C, and we can use as first as integer x any, and then file, and that is string, so that collection of bytes. So no, so what is a unset? So that is a one character must be pushed back to the input stream. So that is a pushback means that is like push means insert. So let us check how it's pushback, and we can also see that help, that syntax. So on get C, yes, that function, and push a character back into the input stream, and that is same. Yes, here that perfectly that declaration syntax is right. So means we have to also perfect like write based on that syntax is integer C and file string, and unget C push a character C back onto the name input which must be output for reading. So that is a function we can use in file management, and here some example also provide. So at the last, so here you can see. So now we can use that type of example. So let us I give multi-comment line to the syntax, and we can start to our header file include stdio.h and then conio.h, console input output, and that void main we have to take, and that is first opening closing brace, and we can take as character ch. Yes, and that is here no any file pointer is required because we have to use the standard that is in input means. So let us check how it's so we can directly enter some character. So first we can give that message. So enter some character, or you can say that's line, that type of some character enter, and we can write, yes, that is take as while loop, and that is ch and get chr. And that the how we can take as like our file management. So here we can write directly and not equal to eof end of the file. So in your mind question here, we can not take any file, but how it's end of file. So we can control z, so that is a understanding the end of file point, and that is finish, and means we can print directly standard our input, and we can check if ch not equal to eof end of file. So here we can use ungetc, and that first is you have to know ch. So that is a that ASCII code is compare, and std in input string we have to use standard input, and that gets ch. So just that very simple we have to give the example. So here not we can that is a directly print on the console screen, not write into the file, and if not equal to eof, so that condition is true, but there is a no any file pointer, we have to not write, but that is a one character is input time, that is a push must be pushed back to input stream. So let us check how it's work. So first I can save, and that we can give the ungetc, and that is function dot c. But maximum we can provide 8 characters. So here more I think. So here we can ungetc fun, but that's not only fun. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, function. So underscore, that is, yes. So I can give full name of function, but function F for function. So that is a first letter only, and compile. Yes, and now we can run. So let us are students and dot and control Z I can give. So yes, so that is a perfectly. So that is a not of end of file, and that is a print the message. So we are students. So that is a yes. So how that is one character is standard input. So here first we can write all the files, and that is not EOF, but that is a not equal to. So one character is input, that is pushback. So that is a pushback. So how we can recognize that character? So yes, I first we have to see our output. So yes, here that character you can take some as it is. So I can give this is a and enter. So that is directly not we have to provide end of file. That is also print because that is a not file pointer. So yes, this is a pen. Yes, must. So now that we can must be passed as control Z. So otherwise that is a inf means that not perfectly work means not print. So that is a not equal to e of that is unget c. So one character is a pushbacking at the last of end of the file, and that is standard input that reading time. So yes, that is finished. Very simple example. So you can understand, I think. So here we can use as a standard input for reading directly. So that we have to must be supply the end of file pointer. So then and then we can come out. So I again run. We have to run, and we are students and not and control Z. Otherwise that not we come out. So look now perfectly our output is printed, and we can come out to end of the file. So that is a directly write on the standard input. So our not we have to write any file directly that take the character, and directly we have to take the printf function. So that is a standard input. So unget c is a that not require not equal to end of file. So that is a not equal to end of file. So then on it unset it. But last is a under. So when we cannot provide the end of file, so look, I give that statement. So I here not provide any end of file. I directly enter. So control Z is provide the end of file, but now here you cannot come out. So unset get. Now I give control Z. So now you can enter and get the end of file. So that is a must be. So yes, here unset get. After termination you can provide the end of file, otherwise that is no taking end of the file. So that is just use that two parameter you have to pass must be, and that is character integer that we have to pass as a that compare as ASCII code, and hence file stream. So standard input for reading that purpose. Yes, so that are not used as writing but reading purpose to use. Okay, so that is very simple and small example for how to use ungetc function in file management. So that is a how to input time we have to use standard in. So now I can close that file. So that write to your C note if you prepare that program very simple. There four only 4 or 5 line is there very simple. So that is our example. So now I can close that file and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.